To game on with your life, you need to be modernized, whether it's you, your clothes, your mobile phones, or even your car. Elon Musk knows this relatively well, and therefore his company Tesla has reflected a newly updated Tesla Model 3. The new updates contain useful driving features like automatic access to a car's blind spot cameras, as well as fun additions like new games built into Tesla Arcade, TikTok support, and a feature that lets the electric cars dance to a choreographed light show. Do you want to know more about it? Well, stay tuned in the video. Welcome to Elon Musk Tube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or anything related to the multi-talented, influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. With a near-perfect blend of performance, driving range, and vulnerable pricing, the 2022 Tesla Model 3 is an electric vehicle that lives up to the hype. It's fast, especially the performance trim, and it's graceful, which means the Model 3 is an EV that driving fanatics like us can get behind. The driving range is an outstanding 358 miles per charge on the mid-level. Long-range trim, so it's not essential to charge the Model 3 every day. Its impressive entry price doesn't unlock the Model 3's full potential though, and its fit and finish don't quite match the alternatives such as the Chevy Bolt and Ford Mustang Mach-E. Still, there's not a more reasonable way to park one of Tesla's groundbreaking EVs in your driveway. Let's drive at the all-new updated Tesla Model 3 more briefly. Just a few days before Christmas, Tesla kicked off the holidays with a bang. This year's holiday update includes a few fun wonders for Tesla owners, including new games and a few other fun features. While Tesla generally pushes new features through software updates whenever it is ready, it is also recognized for wrapping some of those more fun features for a bigger holiday update toward the end of the year. We'll start with the promising stuff first. Tesla's in-car UI gets a customizable app launcher. This enables you to drag and drop your favorite applications to the bottom of the UI for simple access. There's a new dark mode for the vehicle UI, which is kind of cool, not precisely a game changer. Following it, there is a simplification of the most used controls on the screen. This gives you a more popular set of icons for stuff like wipers, navigation, and media, so you don't have to tap around quite so much while driving. Drag and drop your favorite apps to any position along the bottom menu bar for easy access. To customize your menu bar, hold any icon and then drag to reorder. To adjust climate controls, such as heated seats and defrost, tap on the temperature or swipe up from the bottom of the screen. The update's release notes read: One special change is the automatic blind spot camera. This exhibits a camera feed of your blind spot when you activate a turn signal. This feature has been around on higher-end Kias, Hyundai, and Genesis models for a while now, and it's super helpful. Tesla will also now authorize you to easily reorder your waypoints in navigation or add more waypoints along a journey, and it will automatically calculate arrival times. The blind spot camera feature is perhaps one of the best advancements in the Tesla holiday update, as it provides vehicles with a video feed showing their blind spot when a turn signal is activated. You can now automatically see a live camera view of your blind spot whenever you activate the turn signal. The release notes for the feature read: Tesla CEO Elon Musk indicated the feature was in development in July 2020, but now it's here to make techniques like changing highway lanes a little bit safer. Being a holiday update, 2021.44.25 is a flush with several modifications for Tesla Theater and Tesla Arcade. First up is Sonic the Hedgehog, which Elon Musk himself announced on Twitter recently. Multiplayer support for the Battle of Polytopia has also been enabled, which should make in-car gaming sessions even more fun. Sudoku has also been added to the Tesla Arcade, complete with a mode that contains a smart hint systems for beginners. Also, entry to a popular social media platform has been allowed. You can now watch TikTok from your touchscreen. To launch, tap the theater icon from the bottom bar and select TikTok while your car is in the park. Update 2021.44.25 is not all leisure and games. Tesla included some cold weather improvements to its holiday update too. Another potentially important feature is a preconditioning mode for the cabin, so you can cool down or warm up your Tesla cabin before you get in. As well as it automatically regulates seat heaters that change temperature based on your cabin temp settings. As part of its latest holiday update released on Christmas Eve, Tesla debuted Tesla Light Show, which permits users to create their light shows to any music of their preference. To generate a light show, which can last up to 5 minutes, users must download X-Lights, a free open-source software. After completing their light show in X-Lights, users can put it on a USB and upload it to their car. Light Show also works in 2021 Tesla Model S and Model X cars as well as any Model 3 or Model Y. They can even download light shows from other creators, the automaker said in a blog announcing the feature. When it comes to the modifications, Tesla cannot move on without remodeling its interiors. We're not overstating when we say that the Tesla Model 3 has an interior unlike any other car on the market today. It's surprisingly modest inside, with almost everything controlled by the monolithic touchscreen in the center of the dashboard. The Tesla's low, flat floor makes for an immense and airy feel inside. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, but the rear seats are strangled and uncomfortable. Don't expect adults to be able to spend time in them. Folding the 60-40 split folding rear seats is simple and broadens the vehicle sizably. The Model 3's seatbacks fold flat too, providing a steady cargo floor for hauling large items. With the rear seats folded, the Model 3 provides enough room for 15 carry-on suitcase. There are also generously sized bins and cubbies throughout the cabin. Now let's talk about the performance of the Tesla Model 3. As with most EVs, the Model 3 increases speed smoothly and almost silently, with the electric motor empowering strong power from a stop. And it's fast, extremely so in some trims. The rear-wheel drive long-range model that was tested sprinted from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. The Model 3 performance shoots up to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds faster than our long-term Model 3 long range. Like all Teslas, the Model 3 holds its battery under the floor, resulting in a low center of gravity. This comfort changes direction crisply and feels planted and stable in corners. The steering is factual and well-weighted, with 3 different settings that adjust the level of steering effort. The ride is substantial without being harsh, without the noise of a gas-powered engine. However, you do hear plenty of noise inside the cabin as the tires thwack and thrum over pavement deformities. Last year's standard range model has been renamed rear-wheel drive and given a new battery pack that uses lithium iron phosphate instead of nickel cobalt aluminium. Despite being less energy dense than the previous battery pack, estimated range for this entry model has increased to 272 miles. The long-range trim also sees a slight uptick in its estimated driving range this year to 358 miles per charge. After riding these new specs, this car looks even more handsome, and reasonably it will smash the market records when it will be launched. But apart from our expectations and thoughts, what do you think about this newly revamped Tesla Model 3? What do you think of the new and tweaked features? Let us know in the comments below. And most importantly, if you want to be updated on every single topic related to Elon Musk, then you should consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.